Imagine building a sellable AI app from your phone in one command. No coding, no experience, no monthly fees, just fast profits. Meet SnapApps AI, the world's first AI agent that builds apps. Type one Telegram command and watch a complete app appear. Customize it by talking to the AI easy, instant changes. White label everything, your logo, your brand, your domain. Tired of slow development, expensive agencies, and tech headaches? SnapApps AI replaces months of work with minutes. Built-in editor lets you tweak UI, copy, and flows instantly. Add lead forms and autoresponders to capture and monetize leads. Connect your custom domain and sell apps under your brand. Commercial license included, sell these apps and keep 100% profits. Powered by top AI models, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, Llama. One command Telegram setup builds a complete working AI app. 30+ done-for-you templates so you can start selling today. White label apps mean you keep your logo, domain, and payments. Cloud-based platform with secure hosting, no installations, ever. Autoresponder integrations and analytics to grow recurring revenue. Sell them as your own, set your price, and scale fast. Perfect for agencies, freelancers, and entrepreneurs wanting instant products. 6 premium bonuses included worth over $1,632. Commercial license, templates, and sales assets, everything you need to sell. Start from day one. Upload your logo, pick a template, sell. Quick demo. Build, customize, collect leads, and deliver to clients. Imagine landing clients who pay for white label AI apps monthly. No recurring platform fees, one purchase gives you commercial rights. This is the fastest path to a profitable AI app business. Limited launch offer with valuable bonuses, won't last long. Get everything. One command creation, editor, lead forms, and commercial license. Click the link below to get instant access to SnapApps AI.